video. Currently on our way up Wind Hill with the missus and Roxy, who you may have seen on another video. Behind me there is Bamford Edge. That's Lady Bower Reservoir, and we are going that way and then up towards Wind Hill. To be fair, most people go up via Hope, but we're being different. We're going up via Bamford. I think it is a bit steeper, but hey ho, is what it is. Yeah, only be a short video, but we'll make it as good as we can. I think it's safe to say we've had a fair bit of rain. Good test for the new boots. It's cleaning that path though, amazing. Look at that. What do you reckon, Rox? So we've just come up a steep hill and come to that gate there. You don't turn left or right, you just go through that gate, through here and up here. I'll put a sort of like map on the video at the end, and I'll show you the route we took. This one's loving it. This one not so much. Nice like little bathtub there. The amount of water that's been put down, bloody hell. So you come to another junction, we turn left. It's quite steep, and it was quite boggy, a bit like this to be fair. Go on, over you go. Good girl. Nope. Just that. I think we'll just put you through here so you can have a look. I'm going to assume that's where the front door was. You can see the beam holes for what would have been the second floor. Probably the back door just there. And then I'd imagine an outhouse here for something. I think you love it when you're on a hike and you find stuff like this. It's absolutely incredible. All these Christmas trees as well. You can tell Christmas is coming. Surprised they haven't been felled yet, to be fair. Nice little walk feature running out your back door there. See what though, this like is very, very, very muddy and boggy. There she is, just there. The Wind Hill. Are you excited? Slowly.
I'll turn it off.
Then do it.
Who smacked him in the face?
I don't know if you can see it, just there is the Coach and Horses, and then just there is Stanage Edge, and then that's Bamford Edge, and that's the wife, and just there is Win Hill, and there's the biggest headache ever. Yes, you. Happy days, Win Hill. Here comes the missus. Right, so as you can see behind me, Lady Bower Reservoir. Again, just over there you got Bamford Edge, Stanage Edge over the back there. Horse and Cart or Horse and Coach, whatever it's called over there. Bridge down there. And then that just over there's Win Hill summit. You can just about see Mamtor in the distance there, and Winnet's Pass is just hiding behind the summit of Win Hill. See the factory down there, Castleton and Hope are down there as well. Yeah, check that out. Absolutely stunning.
Anything in there for me?
All the people are going to see is your fat head. Licking my cup.
It's not fat, is it? Hey? Butterflies.
Now I make this point, if you can see that dog behind me. If anyone's watching this, put your dogs on leads. Because as much as our dog looks nice on most of the videos, she doesn't react well to other dogs. Yeah, this dog's just gone running past us. The owner is nowhere to be seen. Winter's coming, people. Keep your gas cans warm. Or just buy thermals. Not for you.
Daddy, I want some water.
staircase and then turn right going this way. Not actually tracking it this time, we're just going to wing it. See how we get on. Isn't that right, dear?
Mm-hmm.
So we've just come down off that path onto where we're turning the left to go towards, you just see the reservoir there, the wife's head.
Sorry.
And then we're going to try and going that way, end up in those woods, and then hopefully we might find a path that goes down. So risk it for a biscuit. Testing it out for us.
Go on then.
Just this way, okay. Thank you.
Yay.
Just literally go on that grass line. It's your best option. There you go. You right there, love?
What?
We don't love a good gate, eh? Look at the state of this. Gutted. I hope the sound caught that on camera, because someone just decided to have a little slip on the roots. Yeah. So when you get down that bit that we just nearly slipped on, chuck a left, and now you'll find yourself on here. What? Who don't love a good woodland though, eh? Do you love a good woodland?
Pretty.
Pretties! Oh, this is going to end horribly. There's no way down. Oh, actually, so do I. Right. Rocks, move. No, no, no.
She's got a fucking vine stuck around the foot.
Okay, right, yeah, you're not going where I want to go though, Rocks. I want to go that side.
Can you not just go that way and come through the fence?
Why not think of that? Go on, that's it, through, that's it, well done. There you go. If in doubt, ask the wife. This is how much we're winging it. We've just gone down a path and saw some bikers come flying past us, and now we're going down the same path they did, which is this bit.
Yep.
We're not too far from the actual actual Lady Bow Reservoir, which is just down there. It's just finding a way out, isn't it, dear? You're right there, covered in pine. Come on. Jesus Christ.
Oops.
Nothing in there, thank you. This is your fault. No. So the hill we just come down on was absolutely horrendous. I ended up on my arse. As per usual, this wasn't recording at the time. However, the wife has got me sitting on my backside after falling down. And I nearly went several times more than that as well. So that was Win Hill. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thumbs up for the video, always helps. So it's a goodbye from me, it's a goodbye from this one, and a goodbye from that one. So this walk we parked at the Heatherdean car park, which is just there. I think it was about £7 for up until midnight. We got there around about 9:30, 10ish. So from there you walk down this path here, pretty straightforward, and then it just cuts off where the green buoy is. Takes you down to like a war memorial, and then you walk along the edge of the Ladybower Reservoir. When you come to the other end, we chucked a right and walk down this path here until you come across a little left turn there. You'll see a signpost that says Win Hill, and then you go up this bit, and then we turned left. It just bends left, and then we just carried on. I did track it on footpath, and it was a practically straight line. It seemed steep, but it weren't too bad. Very, very boggy. And then when you get to the top, you just chuck a left because you come to a fence. You'll have to go over the fence, up a hill, and then you're just there. You just follow the paths that lead up to Win Hill from there, really. The 360 views from Win Hill are absolutely fantastic, which you've just seen from the video. But if I'm brutally honest, the video never does it justice. If you've never been, get yourself up there. It is unbelievable.